Let's look pricing under perfect competition. In the last video, we discussed which are the important features of perfect competition. Perfect competition is a market situation where the large number of buyers and sellers, they are producing homogeneous product, single price, their freedom of entry and exit, perfect knowledge regarding market condition, perfect mobility of artist production, and absence of selling cost and transportation cost. So now let's look what is the pricing, how the pricing took place under perfect competition. On the regard of pricing, we can divide the market competition based on time, divide into three, that is market period, short run and long run. So pricing of market period, pricing under short run and pricing under long run. Let's look what is market period. So market period, it may be consist of 2 days, maximum 2 or 3 days. Okay. For example, flowers market, isn't it? Flowers market is considered to be such a market where that is the supply is very limited because of it is a perishable good. So in such a flowers market, then what may be the shape of the supply curve? Look at it. Under market period, in case of non-perishable or perishable good are separated. Now let's look at what a case of perishable good. Then x and y axis. Here we can decide the price and here output. Okay. So under market period, the time span is only 2 days. We already said it is only 2 days. So in such a case, how the price is determined? We know that in a market mechanism, price is determined by two forces, demand and supply, isn't it? Demand and supply determine the price. But in case of market period, the supply is constant. The supply is constant because it is a perishable good. So the supplier only take a few supply. That means supply is constant. Once they took that supply, they never make any change. So supply curve is vertical. Okay. So this is the demand curve. D, it shows the demand curve. And price is determined at the point where demand and supply is equal. That is here it is OP. OP price, OQ or OS quantity they are selling. Supply is constant. Suppose that on that particular day they having high demand in the market. What they will do? They can't change the supply, isn't it? D1 that shows that the demand is increased, high demand for the flowers. So what they will do? That is, yes, they will increase the price. That is price changed to OP to OP1. Okay. Then that means under market period, the price is determined by demand alone. That is supply is remain constant. Okay. Let's take another situation. On that particular day, demand is very low. That is demand is very low, D0. Okay, then what they will do? They want to sell that product in that particular day itself because it is a perishable good. So what they will do? They will reduce the price. So price will fall to OP1. Okay, or OP0. Let's take OP0. So that means under market period, the price is determined by demand alone. The changes in demand, if a demand increased, demand decreased, that only make the corresponding changes in price. Supplies remain constant. So the shape of the demand and supply curve is this manner and the price is determined under market period. Okay, thank you.